Hello and welcome to Altia Suite. Today I'm going to show you about the Service Call Document Manager. To get started, we're going to go into Service Calls and then into Service Call Documents. Now from here, depending on how you have your grids, this is our default view. So you can see the location, all the Service Call document information, customer, plus the model number information. Up at the top left, you can go ahead and cycle through your different locations. You can look whether or not your Service Call documents are closed. You can look at the canceled ones, and then all of your opens. Every single one of these filters has a floppy disk, so we can save these filters whenever you come into here. You can look at your parts availability, whether or not you're short, or if you have them available. You can look at all the different visit statuses. If you want to look for a specific customer, you can go ahead and grab them and press the apply button and grab their service call documents. If you want to look for a specific employee, you can look up all that employee's service call documents. We can look at the different payment statuses, whether or not they're COD or in warranty. You can look at the ones that you have been invoiced and not been invoiced. The status right here is going to be the user-generated statuses. You can look at different service code types. For here, you can look at who has filed or claimed. You can look at who's been filed with. And then our last one is our delivery truck one. So you want to look at your service truck right there. If you have any of these filters on, you can always go to the back and hit the clear button. Once you click this checkbox right here, this will show the parts list for all of your service code documents. You get additional columns such as the item name and SKU for all the different parts. Once we have this selected, we also have another checkbox that shows up called Show Only Short, and will show you the things that you still need to order or procure for the service code document. We have a checkbox over here to show multiples. The last checkbox is Show Only My Services, so if you're logged in as yourself, you can see only the services that belong to you. At the very top, we have the scheduled date range, so you can look at people who have been scheduled for the week or for a certain time period. Same thing with the service call creation date. You can look at all the service call documents created last month and the previous months. So that is just a little overview of the Service Call Document Manager in Altia Suite. Thank you.